Hey, thanks for stopping by to do laundry with me today. I greatly appreciate it. I started off with doing laundry at home, of course, because I'm already at home, right? I was going to go to the store, but I decided not to do that. I just did a Walmart delivery. I just ordered some fabric softener and laundry detergent. I want to apologize in advance. You're about to see a lot of my backside, all that junk in that trunk. I'm just kidding. But I had the camera at the wrong angle, and I just want to apologize for that. My little best friend thinks she about to win, but no, it's a no. I got 4, she got 6 aside. Okay. Give me that. You might as well give me the next 2 books too. Huh? Come on with it. Come on with it. There we go. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You almost won.
Baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no. Baby, just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow.
Now you guys are going to see me smelling the clothes. It's because I wanted it to smell so strong. Like, I love the smell of Gain. And I just felt like I didn't smell it enough. I could smell it, but it wasn't strong enough. So that's what I was doing when I was smelling the clothes. And then, of course, I was shaking the clothes out because I really have a problem. I just don't like laundromats. And I think that people might have bugs. I don't know. I'm just so terrified of bugs. I don't want to bring anything back home with me. So I'm sorry, if that comes off kind of rude.
I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're
Also, let me not
irreplaceable.
forget, honey, it was a lot of dog hair in our clothes because we have a pug that sheds so much and it's gross.
Put me in
Ew.
mind, your love. Ain't no amount of time in this world. Save me a lot of time and just let me feel it, baby, feel it in your soul. Are you ready? I know your heart been telling you you belong to me. No. It's alright. I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous.
So this is why you don't bring your little best friends to the laundromat because now they want. So gotta take my little laundry change and get something out of this little machine. My little best friends love being with me. We love spending time with each other. This was a great way to connect. I mean, you might not think it's a good way to connect with your children at the laundromat, but it is. We were relaxing, chilling, scrolling on Instagram, reading magazines, and talking about trips we're going to take, what's going on at school, the gossip that's going on in their little friend groups. I don't know. We just had a cute little time while also giving them the experience of what it's like to do laundry in a laundromat because they have never been to the laundromat before.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping, was okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
So I had to mute this clip, guys, because you couldn't hear me talking anyway. It was so loud from the TVs that are in the laundromat. I was just saying that I'm done. I'm putting the clothes away. We folded the clothes. And you guys know that I had to fold my clothes because my grandmother would kill me if she saw these laundry videos and I am not folding the laundry. She would be so upset. And yeah, I was just saying, I'm done. I'm out of the laundromat. See you guys when I get home.
These days, I'm letting God handle all things above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all.
So I'm about to end the video right here, guys, because it's taking all day to wash these clothes. If you guys watch my laundry video, you know that I have, my cleaning laundry motivation video. You guys see how many clothes it was to wash. It's so many. And that's why I have to go to the laundromat and wash clothes at home because it's just too many clothes. So right now I have something in the wash. I got something in the wash, and then I got something in the dryer. And then these are the clothes that I have folded. And honey, I'm gonna be done for today. Still got a tote over there with some clothes in it, and girl, now y'all know I need to change my battery. Dang. Anyway, I'm gonna go chill, watch my Nigerian movies. If y'all not up on Nigerian movies, honey, you are missing out. Okay, and I have to watch all Ray Umodi. I hope I'm saying his name right. I have to watch all his films because he is so fine and I love him. And I'm gonna go to Lagos or wherever he is in Nigeria, and I'm gonna meet him one day. Okay, period. Anyway, that's the end of the video. Stay tuned. Come back. Matter of fact, come back Friday. Come back Friday to finish these clothes with me. Okay, every Friday. Come wash some clothes with me. I need y'all to help me. Keep me company. Okay. All right. Bye.